We are going to revise the chapter 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate. Weather and climate have a great impact on our daily life. Weather and climate determine the type of clothes we will wear, mode of transport we will use, types of food we grow and eat. All living organisms are adapted to survive in the climatic conditions of their natural habitat. A weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. And these all things together call the weather at that particular place. The temperature, humidity, rainfall, snowfall, wind speed, etc. are called the elements of the weather. So all the changes in the weather is caused by the sun. What is temperature? Temperature is a measure of the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. The maximum temperature of the day occur in the afternoon and the minimum temperature occur in the early morning. And special thermometers are called the maximum and minimum thermometers are used to measure the temperature. Now we will discuss about the elements of weather, and first there is humidity. Humidity refers to the amount of water vapor present in the air. Next is rain. The greater the humidity, more are the chance of rain. We can measure the rain by using the rain gauge instrument. Cloudiness and wind are also the elements of weather. Atmospheric pressure is also an important element of weather. Sun plays an important role in changing of weather because sun's energy absorbed and reflected by the earth's surface. Oceans and the atmosphere also play an important role in determining the weather at a particular place. What is climate? Climate of a place is defined as the average weather condition at a particular place over a long period of time, about 25 years or more. So climate varies from place to place. Temperature of Kerala and Rajasthan, they are completely different from each other. In Kerala, the place is hot, more rainfall, so we can say the Kerala's climate is hot and wet, whereas in case of Rajasthan there is very less rainfall but the place is hot. So we have to say that the climate of Rajasthan is hot and dry. Sun has an important role in changing weather as well as it has effect in changing climate. As you can see it in the picture, at the low latitudes, that is the equator, the sun rays hit the earth's surface almost vertically. So for the year long there will be hot climate, and at the poles, that is the high latitude, the sunlight hardly reaches and that will cause the cold climate. Look at the picture. India has several climate zones. Moving on to our next topic, climate and adaptation of animals. So animals can adjust their body temperature, they can regulate their body temperature according to the weather and climate. So all living things can adjust according to the environmental conditions. So we can say that the adjustment shown in the structure, physiology, behavior, etc. of an organism to changed environmental condition is referred to as adaptation. Adaptation is of two types. They are behavioral and structural adaptation. Behavioral adaptation can be shown by the birds during the migration time, and structural adaptation can be the example of the bill on the birds or the fur on a polar bear. Look at the various type of big size according to their food habit. So they are adapting according to the food resources that are available in any particular climate region. The polar region are very cold, so the animals found in the polar region such as polar bears, seal, penguin, musk oxen, reindeers, foxes, whales, Siberian cranes, they must adapt according to the environment, right? So what the polar bear does? They have two layers of fur to protect them from the extreme cold. The fat layer under the skin, which is known as the blubber, that also protect them from the cold. They are white in color, so they are not easily visible in the snow, and also they have strong sense of smell to catch their prey. Adaptations of penguin. They also have the thick skin that will protect them from the extreme cold. They also huddle together to keep themselves warm. They have streamlined body and webbed feet which will help them to swim in the water. So there are so many adaptive features. Polar birds such as Siberian crane or Arctic tern, they show the seasonal movement from one area to another, and this is termed as migration. The birds in polar region cannot tolerate the extreme cold of the winter because they doesn't have that blubber or any thick skin, so that is why they cannot tolerate the extreme cold temperature. That is why they migrate. So during winter it migrates to far away warmer places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana to escape from the extreme winter in the Siberia. The tropical rainforest have a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Tropical means the middle of the globe. So the temperature in summer can be 40 degree and temperature in winter can be 15 degrees centigrade. Days and nights are almost equal, and these regions have plenty of rainfall. So in our India, the Western Ghat and Assam are the tropical regions. Apes, gorillas, lion, tiger, elephants, and these animals can be found in the tropical climate areas. Monkeys, red-eyed frog, they are known as the arboreal animals because they adapt to live in the trees in those tropical rainforests. Example of such arboreal animal is the red-eyed tree frog, which has a sticky pad on its feet and it helps it to climb on the trees. Monkeys are also arboreal animals. Weird ape are also arboreal animals. Adaptation of toucans. So these also adapt themselves according to their food habit. They eat fruits. That's why they have long large beak which help them to reach the fruits on the branches. Cat and leopard, they have very flexible bodies that are designed for running, jumping and climbing, and they have very sharp teeth for tearing the flesh. Those are known as canines. They also have night vision. Lions and tigers have thick brown skin which help them to hide easily in the forest, and this phenomena is known as the camouflaging. Camouflaging, they can protect themselves from the predators and it also helps them to catch their prey. Elephant adapted themselves in a remarkable ways in the tropical rainforest. Tusks are modified teeth which help it to tear barks of trees to eat. It has large ears that help to hear even soft sounds. And it also splashes the mud which will cool down its body in the hot weather. They show many such adaptive features, so go through each and every feature from your book thoroughly. This is all for today, so what you have to do, read the chapter again along with the question answer. Thank you, students.